Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So as you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be how I do Kelsey's defined wash and go. Every time we go out, I get stopped and asked like, oh my gosh, how did you get her hair like that? And my response is typically always like what? Because I don't know what people usually are referring to, but they usually are referring to when I ask the definition in her curls. So I'm going to show you guys how I get her curls to be defined and bouncy and curly, and they last for about 5 days depending on how she sleeps, because she doesn't wear a bonnet or anything. She's too young for a bonnet, so she just sleeps regular. I just start out by washing her hair. If you watched our previous video, I showed how I wash her hair and I condition it, and then I just apply the Curly Kids hair lotion, and then on top of the hair lotion I apply a Curly Kids gel. The brand is Curly Kids, and it's basically just like lotion and gel that create the look. It would be similar to a wash and go for adults. I just put the lotion on first. It kind of helps seal in the moisture and keep her hair moisturized, and the gel helps to maintain the curl without it getting super frizzy, and it does keep this semi-wet look for about 2 days. So I just typically will rake the product in her hair the same way I would do for my wash and go, and the curls just kind of define by themselves. Any of them that don't define, I will go back with my finger and define them, but typically her curls bounce right back once I rake the gel through it. She has no damage to her hair, so her hair is fine. And I just do this all over her head until it is completed, and I let it air dry, and she loves it. And at the end you'll see her shake her curls. That's her favorite thing to do, is shake her hair. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe.